In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word cannot type. If you open a document and your keyboard just doesn't do anything, don't worry. This is a very common situation and usually has a quick fix. The first thing to check is whether the document is locked. Look at the top of Word, right under the ribbon where messages appear. If you see labels like Read Only or Protected, or a banner that says the file opened in a protected mode, Word is preventing edits. This often happens with files downloaded from the internet, received as an email attachment, or stored in a location that Word doesn't fully trust. When you see that message, click the button that says Enable Editing. That tells Word you trust the document and want to make changes. After you click it, give Word a second to switch modes. Then click directly inside the document so the text area is active. You should see a blinking insertion cursor where you click. Now try typing a few words to confirm it's working. Sometimes the message might look slightly different. Terms like protected or view only mean essentially the same thing. The file is open for viewing, not editing. The fix remains the same. Click Enable Editing to unlock normal typing, then click inside the page to place your cursor before you start. If you don't see any warning at the top, the next thing to confirm is that Word is the active window. It's easy to start typing while another app, dialog, or the desktop has focus and nothing will appear in your document. Simply click anywhere in the main page area of your Word document to bring it to the front. Make sure you click in the body of the page rather than the toolbar, the margins, or the navigation pane. You want to see that blinking cursor right where your text should go. Once the document is active and the cursor is visible, test by typing a short phrase. If letters appear, you're good to go. If they don't, click again inside the page, near where you want to begin, and try once more. A single extra click often makes the difference if Word wasn't focused or the insertion point wasn't set. That's it. Start by checking whether the document is locked. Click Enable Editing if you see a read-only or protected notice, and always click inside the page so Word knows exactly where to put your text. These quick checks resolve the vast majority of can't type in Word issues in seconds.